Hey, welcome guys. In this video I'm doing an unboxing of AirTame. Now, this is a wireless mirroring solution for, say, Windows computer, Mac OS, as well as iOS devices. This is not a competitor to Chromecast as far as I know. Chromecast is a very unique technology which kind of has to have, say, applications compatible with their service for Google Chromecast services. AirTame is just strictly a mirroring service. All it does is mirror your screen, identical. It doesn't project Netflix or anything like that. So, curious to see how this is going to function. So it tells you what they've done, because they haven't invented wireless power solution, which is kind of funny. But they do have some other cablings in there for power, for example. And it has some quick 3 steps to go through, and the unit itself is small. On the website it looked a lot larger. It's surprisingly small in the hand, so I'll come back to that in a bit. And it has the HDMI connection on the unit itself, because the design looks similar to a Chromecast, but it's not close to what a Chromecast is supposed to do. So here's some connections. Depending on which region you live in, Europe for example, or North America, they have various power adapters, which is nice for them to include. Especially if you're probably on the go and you might want to use this at a different client site, for example. It's not a bad idea to have these power adapters available on hand. So I'm based in Canada, so I'll be using the North American fitting. So slide that on there. It's pretty small power brick, not that large, and it looks like they included a HDMI dongle. With one end female, one end male. I guess the idea here is that if you need to kind of wrap the unit around a certain cabling or TV mount, you can kind of do that. It allows you a bit more flexibility, which is nice. It's kind of nice that they did that. And this has got to be for the power itself. So it's a micro USB cable, but it's also going to be what powers the device. So that power cord is about 3 feet long, which is quite adequate. I don't think you'll need that much more in length. Especially because the idea is to have this kind of hidden away somewhere, connected to your TV or monitor, for example. There's some more stuff was included in the box, the setup process, very generic information like warranty and safety information. That's pretty much it. It looks like it's going to be a very simple, easy device to set up, but we'll have more information in the review. A link to the review will be in the video description as I struggle to get my camera to focus. So if you guys found this video useful, be sure to check out my social links in the video description. You can find the review also in the video description. Hit that like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.